pie charts, also called circle graphs. It's where you have a circle and you cut out different pieces of that pie. So here in this one we have the locations of where 700 college students live while they are in college. Live with their parents, live off campus in a rental, live off campus in something that they own, live on campus in campus housing, or some other arrangement for living, couch surfing, whatever it may be. So the questions that were being asked: where do the most college students live? Well, that would be the largest piece of this pie, which would be with their parents. And I should write that down for you too. With parents. Besides the other category, where do the least number of them live? So there's other, so we're going to ignore that. We have on campus 180, on their own 62, off campus 124. The smallest of those numbers, on their own. Next, we're looking for the ratio of on-campus living to the total number of students. So I see the word ratio, I look for the word to, that is my fraction bar. I see on campus, so I find on campus here, that's the 180, to the total. They were kind enough to tell us that there were 700 students asked, so it's 180 over 70. Now I have to figure out, can I reduce that? Yes, I can. So I have to do that. So I'm going to do that here, 180 over 700. First thing I'm doing is canceling out the zeros. So now I have 18 over 70. Divide by 2, whatever it may take, divide by 3. So I'm going to start out by dividing by 2. I get 9 over 35. Can I go any further than that? 9 is 3 times 3. 35 cannot be divided by 3, so that's done. So this is my answer up here. 9 over 35. Question 4 is asking about the ratio of off-campus rentals to the total. So off-campus rentals, 124, to the total, 700. 124 over 700. Reduce that. 124 over 700. Divide top and bottom by 2. Gives us 62 over 350. Again, I can divide by 2. 31 over 175. 31 is a prime number. 175 cannot be divided by 31, therefore that's done. So now I have my answer, 31 over 175. Ratio of on-campus to parents. So now they're getting a little tricky on you. They're no longer saying total, now they're saying parents. So now I have to use that number for my bottom number. Let me make a little space here. So on campus, 180. To parents, 320. Reduce that. divide each by 10. So now I have 18 over 32. Divide each by 2. So dividing 2 gives me 9. Dividing 2 gives me 16. 9 is 3 times 3. 16 cannot be divided by 3, so that one's done. So I have 9 over 16. Question 6, ratio of off-campus to parents. So now I'm looking at off-campus. That's 124. 2, that's my fraction bar. Parents, there's my 320. And then I reduce that the same way that I did with the others. Divide by 2, divide by whatever may happen to come out. So I'm dividing by 2 first. That gives me 62 over 160. Divide by 2 again, gives me 31 over 80. And again, that 31 is a prime number, so I can't reduce it any further. So now I have my answer over here, 31 over 80. If you ever need to create a pie chart of your own, it's very difficult to figure out what angles to put in, how big to make that pie piece when you're doing it by hand. So I would suggest that you use some program such as Excel